Good morning, children. In the previous grammar class, we have learned about a preposition. So, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word which denotes where a noun or pronoun is. Yes or no, children? So, we have learned three types of preposition: simple preposition, compound preposition, and phrasal preposition. Now, we shall go to the remaining part of the lesson. So, according to the relationships expressed by the prepositions are further classified into other categories also. Okay, children, the other category, we shall now learn about the other categories of preposition. So, first one is the preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of position. Okay, children, now we shall go for the other categories of preposition. So, first one is the prepositions of time. First one is the prepositions of time. What is this preposition of time? What is this preposition of time? They are used with the words expressing time to denote when an action has taken place. So, at which time the action has taken place. It is called as preposition of time. What is this first category of preposition, children? It is a preposition of time. What is this preposition of time? They are used with words expressing at which time the action has taken place. They are used with the words expressing time to denote when an action took place. When an action took place. What is this preposition of time, children? They are used to denote with the words expressing time to denote when the action has taken place. Okay, children. So, action. What is that action? Verb. What is an action word? Verb. So, I have been to Calcutta last month. So, when did I go to Calcutta? Last time I have been to Calcutta last month. Okay, children. So, he had just completed his work. When did he complete his work? Just completed the work. So, when did the action took place? Just the action has taken place just now itself. Okay, children. So, what is this preposition of time? They are used with the words expressing time to denote when an action has taken place. So, I will give few words as examples. First one, in. So, when do we use in, children? For in is used. It is used with larger periods of time, such as month, year, century, and so on. For example, in April, I went to Calcutta. In April, I went to Calcutta. So where do we use in, children? It is used with larger periods of time such as months, year and century. So in April, I went to Calcutta. When did I go to Calcutta, children? In April. In which month I have been to Calcutta? In the month of April, I have been to Calcutta. In the same way, in 1997, there was a big tragedy. In 1997, there was a big tragedy. When did this tragedy took place, children? It has taken place in 1977. So, for what purpose in is used? For larger periods of time, for months, centuries and years. Okay, children. In the month of June, in the month of June, he got a new job. When did he get his new job, children? In the month of June. So, for larger periods of time such as month, year and century, we use the word in. So, in is which part of the preposition? Preposition of time. What is this preposition of time? They are used. These are the words used to express the action when the action has taken place. Okay, children. So now we shall go for the other word. And also, in is used with seasons. With seasons, part of the day, part of a day and so on. Okay, children. So, in the morning, in summer season, okay, in the month of June, in 19th century, in the year 1977. So, for the month, year, centuries, with seasons and part of the day, we use the word in. So, what is the use of in? It is a preposition of time. It is a preposition of time. Now we shall go to the next one. Second one, on. Second one is on. It is used with. It is used with days, dates and dates followed by part of days. Followed by part of days. Okay, children. On is used for days, days and dates followed by part of the day. For example, on Monday, on 1st of March, on 1st of March, and on Monday morning, on Monday morning, like this. So on Monday, it is part of a day. It is a day. First, dates. On Monday morning, part of dates of the day. Okay, children. So on is used with days, dates and dates followed by part of days. And going to the third one, at. It is used it is used with point of time, with point of time, particular point of time. For example, at 6 p.m. at 6 p.m. at 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and so on. Okay, children. So, particular point of time. So, when did you reach at that place? I reached that place at 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay, children. Okay, I went to that place by 6 o'clock in the morning. So, particular point of time. So, when we express about a particular point of time, we use the word at. And what is this at? At is a preposition which expresses a particular point of time. And going to the next one. From and to. What is this from and to, children? It is used when? It is used when start time and end time and end time. So when did we start and when did we end are known. Are known. For example, the guest lecture. The guest lecture. The guest lecture is from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So from and to. Where do we use this from and to, children? From means starting time, to means ending time. Okay, children. So on the railway stations also we can listen. So arrival of the train and departure of the train. So when the train will arrive and when the train will take a departure. Yes or no, children? So from means it is a starting time. To means it is the ending time. For example, the guest lecture is from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So when will this lecture start, children? From 2 p.m. and when will it end? 3 p.m. Starting time and ending time. Okay, children. So where do we use from and to? Starting time, and to denote the starting time and ending time, we use the word from and to. And going to the next one, fifth one, since. What is this one, children? Since.